And Dr. Farhad is here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to conduct correlation analysis with SPSS. So let me open my database. Before we conduct correlation analysis, make sure all the variables already been computed. If you do not know how to compute the variables, please refer back to my previous video, which is about computing the variables and learn how to compute the variable. All right. So if I want to conduct correlation analysis, first of all, as I said, you have to make sure to compute all your variables, and then you have to proceed for the correlation analysis. So I will go to Analyze, Correlate, select Bivariate, and let's say instead of selecting all these items, I have already computed my variable. Let's say brand personality had 21 items I have computed, and I have created one variable. CBI, product perceived quality, brand trust, brand commitment, brand loyalty. So nothing to do with the options and the bootstrap, just you select 210 and press OK. So what is the objective of correlation analysis? We are conducting correlation analysis to see whether is there any relationship among the variables or not. The relationship, should reasonable. All right, should not be too low. Let's say towards 0, or too high, more than 0.90. In this case, as you can see, my brand personality has a very reasonable correlation with the rest of variables, and CBI also with the rest of other variables. So the correlation here, if you look, 35, 58, 64, 47. So all the correlations are reasonable, but we have to remember, if the correlation among the variables exceed from 0.90, some scholars believe in 0.85, but let's we go to the lenient one, 0.90, meaning that those two variables, they are mirror of each other, meaning that they are more or less about the same. We have to drop one of those variables. Let's assume here the CPI, consumer brand identification, has a high correlation with PPQ, perceived product quality, which is not the case in this case, in this example. Let's assume instead of 51, if become 91. If 91, meaning that CPI and perceived product quality, these two variables are more or less about the same. They are mirror of each other. We have to either drop this variable from our theoretical framework or CBI. All right. So let's to conclude. In this case, I can see all the correlations are reasonable, and none of the correlations are more than 0.90, meaning that there is no any multi-collinearity issue even in among my variables. I hope you enjoyed from this video. If you had any questions or inquiries, you are most welcome to post your questions on the comment bar of my YouTube channel, and I do my best to come back to you as quickly as possible to address your inquiry and questions. Have a great day and bye.